Hi guys, I'm Miss Rhodes. I'm the librarian at Clayton Middle School. I'm going to be doing this tutorial today to walk you through how to log into your Go Math book for Clayton. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you have the correct web browser open. The one that has the least glitches is Google Chrome. It's the colorful one at the bottom here. Microsoft Edge has a lot of glitches, so we don't recommend you using that one. Once you're on Google Chrome, you can go to Google to search for the website. So at the very top bar, you're going to type in www.washoschools.net. Once you type in washoschools.net, it'll bring you to Washoe County School District website. Then you are going to go to Students and Parents in the middle of the bar. Students and Parents. Scroll down under the H, and it's under HRW Go Math. I know it's kind of weird because it doesn't start with a G for Go Math. It's under HRW Go Math. Go ahead and click that. And here's the sign in for your Go Math book. You are going to sign in with your student ID number and the same password that you log into your computer normally. So it's the same way that you log into your computer. So student ID at washoschools.org and then your password. So you're going to click the sign in button. And I'm already signed in, so it automatically logged me in, but you will need to put in your student ID at washoschools.org and your password to get in. And then you can see that we have the interactive student book. So here's the interactive student edition. And you can click on whatever module your math teachers assign you. Let's just start with 1.1. And it will start with the very first lesson, and it has a video, so you could play it. Okay, so it's going to go over the video, then it will have some questions. There's many different lessons in here to answer, and you can fill the answers in within this book. I hope this helps.